Hello everybody, this is Tim from Maclin Ford, and in this video I'm showing this 2019 Nissan 370Z. It's powered by a 3.7 liter V6 engine, got dual exhaust, moving up to the driver's door, we do have the power window controls, the power locks, as well as the power mirrors. Taking a look at the driver's seat, it is adjustable manually. And taking a look at the steering wheel, on the right hand side we do have the cruise control buttons. On the left hand side you have your steering wheel mounted audio controls, your phone controls, as well as your voice recognition. On just above that you do have your radio controls there. Taking a look at your dash, we do see that this Nissan has 26,452 kilometers on it. Okay. So moving to the center, we do have some gauges as well as the clock. Okay, and right below that, we do have a little cubby hole for some storage. Now there's your push button ignition as well as your radio, okay, which will accept sources from AM, FM, CD, USB, and auxiliary. Okay, and right below that you have your physical controls for your climate system. Okay, and your hazard light button. Okay, next you have your gear selector here, your stick shift for your 6-speed manual transmission, okay, as well as your trunk release and a cup holder. And then your parking brake is right beside the driver's window. The driver's seat, rather. Now taking a look at the mirror, and this is where you will see the feed from your backup camera. Thanks for watching. For more information on this Nissan, give us a call at 587-871-8293 and quote stock number 19P2279. Go to MaclinFord.com or visit us in person at 135 Glendeer Circle Southeast. We'd love to see you. Take it for a test drive. Have a wonderful day.